Well, this is the consistency that my little budgies like to eat their food. Not too thick, not too liquefied. 1 part food, 2 parts water. Alright, let's see.
I love it.
Look nasty.
Yeah.
Alright, look who's here. Doesn't that look funny? Hey, look at his little crop. He's got a little bit of food, not too much, but a little bit hungry. He eats every 2 hours. Make sure it's not hot. Don't want to burn his crop. Hey, don't fall in the floor now. There you go. Isn't he funny? Alright, let's see if he eats. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yeah. Yeah, he's pretty quick. Clean him up. See his little crop getting full? Alright. Okay, here we go. Alright. Okay, come on. Okay, there you go. Alright. A little bit more. You got, oh, look at your little crop getting full. Alright. Yeah. Wow, look at his little crop. Look at that. Wow, look at this. Hey, look at that, huh? Look at that, yeah. Let's clean him up. Now, what he'll do is, he'll go to sleep for 2 hours. And then I'll feed him again. Yeah, isn't he pretty? Yeah, his mother has 5. I took him out from his mother because she usually won't take care of the little ones, the last hatchling, so that way she could take care of them. I took them out. I like to massage their crop. They usually do a little burp like yeah. Alright, let's put him away and come out with the other one. Hey, buddy. Hey, look who's here. Well, you got a piece of hair, huh? Hey, you want to say hi? Hey, say hi. Alright, let's get his food ready. Make sure it's nice and warm. I have warm water in the bottom so it can stay warm. So he eats pretty quick also, especially if they're hungry. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, I put just a little bit of extra water, not a lot, because I want them to stay hydrated. But there's plenty of food in here. Getting all dirty on me. Here you go, buddy. Now, I've tried feeding them with a syringe, but their throat is so small that I think you're done. Yeah, that I was scared that I might hurt his throat, so I stopped trying to feed him with a syringe. A lot of people do it, and maybe when he's bigger, I would do it just so I can feed him quickly. But that didn't take long. I think maybe make sure this food doesn't. Yeah, he's a feisty little fella. Yeah, just massage him a little bit. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Say bye. Bye bye. You turn it off.